Isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Hayaan niyo po akong i-greet ang nagbe-birthday ngayong araw na ito na September 29, 2023. Walang iba kundi si Kuya Mike Villano. Kuya Mike, happy birthday sa iyo. Before everything, someone greet you on your birthday, none other than my friend Edison Osorio. Maraming salamat daw sa pinagsamahan nyo at hindi niya daw makakalimutan ang kabutihan mo sa kanya. Siyempre pinasasabi niya na lagi ka daw mag-iingat at humaba pa ang buhay mo. Akala mo kung ano na yung humaba, no? Di ba? Napakaswerte mo daw kasi napakaswerte mo kasi may isang Edison na nakakaalala sa iyong kaarawan. Bihira kasi yung ganyan. I hope you are happy on your birthday. And for me, I hope you don't get sick at your age, which can really be said to be strong, and hopefully many more birthdays to come. Again, Kuya Mike, happy birthday to you, and live as long as you want. I have a video prepared for you. Watch it here.